Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy and data usage on Instagram, especially with the latest updates, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to block the background sync permission on the Instagram app when using it on your PC. This quick guide will help you stop Instagram from syncing data in the background, giving you more control over your app's behavior and your device's resources. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Next, look towards the top of the page and click on the three dots. This icon usually sits in the upper right corner and opens up a menu with more options. From here, select App Info. This will take you directly to the settings page for Instagram, where you can manage all sorts of permissions and app-specific controls. Once you're in the settings, look for the option labeled More Settings and Permissions. Click on this to expand additional controls that aren't immediately visible in the main settings menu. Now scroll until you find the section called Background Sync. This is the setting that allows Instagram to continue syncing data, even when you're not actively using the app. To block this permission, simply choose the block option next to Background Sync. This will prevent Instagram from running background processes and syncing data when the app isn't open on your screen. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully blocked background sync for Instagram on your PC. This means less background activity, improved privacy, and potentially better performance for your device. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might want more control over their Instagram app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more private, streamlined Instagram experience.